a centralized dust removal project for a cable tray production workshop. The welding fume treatment area is 66 meters long, 18 meters wide, and 3.5 meters high. There are 12 robotic welding stations and 2 manual welding stations. To ensure effective dust collection, the solution is as follows. The 12 robotic welding stations are semi-enclosed, with a dust hood installed on top. To prevent air turbulence and fume overflow, leather curtains are hung around the dust hood. To cantilever dust collectors are used at the 2 manual welding stations, equipped with Mullins 35,000 cubic meters per hour air volume modular split cartridge dust collectors. The purified air meets the standards and is discharged outdoors.